Welcome to a knockout collection, that is. We keep seeing these at Walmart. Thought we'd grab one real quick. I haven't really seen many people online showing what they've got, so I figured why not help you guys find out what's inside these little knockout collections here.
Find out what's in the knockout?
Find out what's in the knockout. And it looks like here, look, it's a box in a box. The box has been boxed. Maybe?
Wow, they really don't want you stealing it.
No, they don't. What's in the knockout? Nothing, because there's no way to open this up. Jeez. Yeah, that was not an easy box to open.
You have to knock out the box to get to what you want.
Oh, look, we've got cool little stickers. And more little stickers.
Those are so cool.
Oh, those actually are pretty cool. Little card stickers. I like that. I'd go with a lot of those if they had those.
That would be his wallpaper.
It would be.
His, like if he had a male or
a man cave.
Yeah.
But hey, it comes with a vivid voltage. You know, everybody wants to buy it for the vivid voltage.
Evie.
I mean, it also comes with an evolving sky. All right, but give me a moment here. Evie. The neighbor's helping out with mowing our lawn since the baby and the dog's having a good time over there, protecting the house with its big scary bark at the door. All right, it comes with some promos here. I guess they're not promos; they're just our alternate hollows. Because we got a Shaman hollow and a Zorora hollow and a Marshadow hollow. Good mythical Pokemon. That's a rapid trick one.
Makes me want marshmallow s'mores and stuff.
Marshmallow, it does. And there is a code card for you all. I know it's what you're really here for, is code card. Alright, now let's see. Which do you think is going to be better? The Vivid Voltage or the Evolving Skies? Before I open it up, I'll give you a moment. Put down in the comments. Which one?
Ironically, I want to say Vivid Voltage.
You want to say it? Alright, well, we'll open Vivid Voltage. Vivid Voltage first. I say for $12 you get, you know, the promo or the special illustrations, and you know you get Evolving Skies.
Yeah, that's pretty nice to get that. It's a surprise.
Okay. Grass.
Water.
Electric. Yeah.
Water. It's okay.
Evie. No. Grass.
Oops, sorry, guys.
And here's a code card for y'all. I'm gonna have to shut the window or the curtain here.
She'll just open it anyway, so good luck.
Yeah. You're okay.
Grass. No, she's gonna go to the other window.
Water. That's pretty cool. Pixelated big square.
Trainer. Yay! Finally, I like that.
Water energy. Ah, that is actually really cool. I do like that.
Fire. No.
Psychic. Ah.
Just kidding.
All right. Well, let's just say it gives Evolving Skies a chance. We'll move Vivid Voltage out of the way. Well, that just ripped right apart.
Look at how she has her hand.
Yes. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Water.
Psychic.
Just for giggles. Psychic.
No! No! No Wobbuffet! Fighting.
Fire. No.
Ah! Grass.
I totally read that really wrong. Booty shake. Sorry, guys.
That's a new trainer.
Booty shake.
Item.
Fighting.
A cute card. Item. Or trainer, excuse me.
It's an item. I mean.
Well, it's an item, so you know.
Should have just said booty shake.
He's got a booty shake going.
Psychic energy. Ah.
Grass. Ooh, I almost said dragon.
Grass to finish it off.
Ah. All right. Well, I guess you'll have to once again let us know in the notice us in the comments. Let us know in the comments which pack do you think won. I mean, it's kind of I don't know. I don't really feel like either of them did any good, but I know you'll let me know, and we'll be back to our probably Obsidian Flames booster box, or sorry, booster bundle tomorrow. So stay tuned.